Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am gonna be playing Castleminer C. So let's get straight into it. Alright. So by the way, I just changed my screen to like a lot. So I'm gonna play at least one of my favorite games ever. So this is Castleminer C. It's a zombie game. Yeah. So let's get into it. But it's like an indie game, but it's a game that I found on Steam. But it looks like an indie game that is only available on Xbox, but in July, and I have Castleminer is not available, but it's not available on PC. It's available on Xbox. But yeah, but Castleminer Z was released in July 27, 2011, and Castleminer Z was released in November 9, 2011. So yeah, Castleminer C. So yeah, survival mode, easy. I'm gonna go in my world because got my world. I'm gonna go in my world because exploration easy. I'm gonna go into my world. Okay. All right. Let's get in. Alright, day one. So here's my house, and I got AK-47 right there. But yeah, I got Bloodstone AK-47. But I hope my game is pretty glitchy because the game that is pretty glitchy stuff. So let's go mining. Let's go mining for some bloodstone. So I got all my stuff here. I got a pistol, which is garbage, and I got SMG gun and a light machine gun. LMGs. I got an LMG gun. So let's just drop down. Ow. Iron pickaxe. No. No, give me that. I need that. This is garbage. I don't need that. Come on, I need to find a rifle. Oh, this guy's coming. Got him. So I need some torches. Here we go. So let's place my torch down here. So I play this for like. I played it and I got my Steam card that I bought like that. In Christmas, I'm gonna have to get a new gaming computer for Christmas. No, wait, for my birthday. So by the way, I'm in exploration. Because my torch doesn't go down because that's cheating. So if you go over here, if you go this guy. Screw you. So there's torches. Place it there. So need to find some bloodstone so I can mine bloodstone, make a bloodstone knife. Okay, so reach bloodstone. Now, bloodstone is really good, but only you can mine it with a bloodstone pickaxe, or mine it with the diamond pickaxe. But you can get bloodstone weapons, bloodstone materials, everything. But I love this game so much. Get bloodstone. So let's just mine some bloodstone so you can make a knife. A bloodstone knife. You need 10 bloodstone and diamond. Great. How I use. There's many bloodstone. So only you can mine out. Oh, by the way, I have a shotgun. This is really I have a shotgun. I can reload it. This is that a skeleton? Oh yeah, it's a skeleton. He fell down the hell. Oh, what an idiot. Now I need got 7. 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we got 10. Let's make a knife, bloodstone knife. Yes. I'm gonna go and kill myself. I'm gonna go ahead and kill myself in the lava right there. There we go. So I died, and then I lost everything. Okay, but it doesn't matter because I got the bloodstone knife. Yay! So I'm gonna have to use shotgun there. Because this is nice. Okay. So let's go ahead and try to kill that dragon over there. Because there's a dragon over there that if you die instantly, the dragon will go away. Because, yeah. Hello? Taste my gun, baby. Oh no, it's getting nighttime. Fudge me. I have straight up pistols because no one will. Ow! No! Oh my god! Wait. Oh, is that dragon? Let's kill the dragon. Here you go. What's up? What's up, baby? What's up? A boosh! That boosh! Oh. Gosh. Zombie right there, but I don't want him to kill him because I want to defeat Dragon Beast. Hey, bro, leave me alone. I got a bloodstone knife. Can't kill me. Let's go kill that dragon. You need to kill him with the tail. So I highly now point. Stupid zombies, go away. Why they're everywhere? Come on, kill him, please kill him. Yes! I just slay a damn dragon with the AK-47. Jeez. Okay, I got some diamonds. Okay, I got some diamonds for that. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go back to our house right there. Oh, bullshit. I need to run over. Okay. There we go. Now we need some ammo. We need to make ammo. I appreciate it. Okay, that's enough. We're gonna make ammo for this. Yee! We got some ammo. Yes. Okay. Wait. Oh no! Iron bullets. Frick. Make. Oh frick! I forgot. I need cobblestone. Oh my god! Leave me alone, zombies! Nope. Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Please! Leave me alone, Maria! I'm busy! Okay, please. Need to get cobblestone for this. Then we're gonna go back to house and end the video here. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. If you liked it, make sure to smash that subscribe button, like button.